in-house training program organized by the Rumdo Institute of Modern Technology, Mymensingh. The training is titled 3D Modeling of Mechanical Components using SolidWorks and is scheduled to take place from the 6th to the 10th of March 2026. Program content, methodology, expected outcomes, resource persons, and projected expenditure. Three-dimensional modeling of mechanical components is an essential part of modern engineering design and manufacturing. Using SolidWorks, components such as a spur gear, nut and bolt, and helical spring can be created accurately and efficiently. These digital models allow engineers to visualize component geometry, dimensions, structure, and functional relationships before beginning actual production. SolidWorks provides powerful tools such as sketching, extrusion, revolving, sweeping, and patterning. These